Yeah, how go on?
Yeah, man. Back up on here again.
Yeah, doing some jerk.
Yeah. Friday.
Yeah, do a short video with Gangali here.
Yeah, summertime now, so jerk time begin again.
Yeah.
So we have no video for the summertime.
And both of us will be in Jamaica soon.
Yeah.
Like, I'm going to Jamaica this weekend, huh?
Yeah.
And you're going next week?
No, I'm going this Tuesday coming. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So, Jamaica.
We're in the big city, Jamaica.
Kingston City.
Yeah.
Yeah. Jerk smells good though.
Yeah. Season up for a week. Yeah, we out the road and smell it. Catchman and come and smell it and say, what you got around the back smells so good?
I have a lot of video from Jamaica the other day, man.
Post them up yet?
No, I don't post them yet. So we have a lot of video in Jamaica coming up by the river and all that good stuff.
Yeah.
We went to Kingston up Red Hills, past Red Hills, and yeah. You see the mountain up there, man. Man, the view. Woo! Man, me say the view nice, man.
Yeah, man, we used to go to look mango, you know.
Oh yeah.
Back in the days, yeah. Hot bus and bus in 33 Joys. We used to help them go to look mango, man.
Oh.
So we up in the hills, man.
Oh yeah.
That time the place nice, man. We are here and frisky, you know. Whole heap of mango always up there.
Lots of mangoes.
Hope garden go look mango pop in. A Jackson road pasta. The place having whole heap of mango. Yes, man. A garden town. Whole heap of mango.
Okay. So we inside the house now. So what Gangali doing? Oh, I got pork.
Yeah, man. Cook up some pork. Stew pork.
Some stew pork.
Yeah.
Oh. I don't eat pork, but that pork smell good.
Yeah, it's good though.
Yeah, you think I should taste it?
No, don't taste it because you're right.
Alright.
Like me, yeah.
That was a test, Gangali, you passed.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, stew pork. Yeah.
I'm going to cook them now right now.
Yeah.
So look more now, when the man must cook, put in him seasoning and the Irish and them thing there. Tomato and them thing there, sweet pepper. And the man must cook, you know. And we can go and cook there now.
So what you have over here now? Some soup?
Soup, yeah, chicken soup.
Oh wow. Look at this soup. You see how rich this soup is?
Yeah, chicken soup.
Yeah, so this is the soup. Well rich. Taste this chicken soup. Yeah man, good soup.
Yeah man, rich chicken soup, okra and all them things there now,
yeah.
You know.
Yeah man.
So we now need to touch it again.
Alright.
Yeah.
More jerk chicken, huh?
Yeah.
Gangali, I want to say this jerk soup. We're gonna make some ackee and saltfish.
Yeah, ackee and saltfish.
Yeah, so Gangali is gonna make some ackee and saltfish. Ackee and saltfish. That's my favorite dish.
So
Yeah.
what we do nowadays, these ackee very soft.
Soft.
Yeah, so we can't boil it. It's about mash out. So
Okay.
we just put them in something, turn on the hot water, hot as it can, run it over it.
Oh.
Yeah, these ackee can't boil it. Soft.
So you just turn it over it and wash it off, because how I do it is
Just turn on the pipe. Hot water.
and wash it off.
Yeah, water. Take out like it. In about 2 minutes.
Oh, I never do it that way.
Yeah.
I have to do it that way then.
Yeah,
I just put it in the Ackee and saltfish just like that.
yeah, you can cook with it today.
Yeah.
You can cook up today, but you know, you hot water more, steam it down with you more.
Oh, okay.
It's hot water right now.
Yeah. That gonna stay for 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Alright.
And good.
Alright, we'll be back in 2 minutes. So what do you have in here?
You got onion, sweet pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, tomato,
So this is for
red
the
pepper.
yeah, this is all for the Ackee and saltfish.
Yeah, you can add it.
Garlic and thyme.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, so you have the thyme and garlic, onion, sweet pepper,
Yeah. Bell pepper,
bell pepper,
onion, scallion.
scallion, and tomato, everything there. So that's what it now.
Some coconut oil.
Oh, okay, okay. Garlic powder.
Just drop a little tip of paprika, get a nice color. It's a nice color.
Put some regular oil in it. So now you put the saltfish in.
Yeah, well, cook.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we put it Ackee in there. Now, minute from this. Cook it a little, put it in the Ackee.
Alright, I'm back outside with Gangali. Oh yeah. Alright, back inside.
Yeah, you know, boil it now.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Time to put in the Ackee, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, time to put in the Ackee now. So you mix up your Ackee with your salt and everything. Season and everything.
Oh yeah, that look good, Gangali.
Yeah. So now I'm going to put in the black pepper. Spice.
Put in the black pepper. Have to have some black pepper
Yeah,
and Ackee and
black pepper.
saltfish.
Yeah,
Man.
black pepper give the color.
Yeah, give nice taste. Jerk chicken, see what it tastes like. This is good. Alright, so this is it for today. Remember to like,
share, and subscribe to Gangali's Kitchen. Alright? Respect.